The Riboy District Cycling Association, led by General Secretary Mipli Walang, celebrated the outstanding performance of its athletes at the 20th National MTB Championship in Panchkula, Haryana, which was held from March 28 to 31st, 2024. The felicitation ceremony held at Petrol Pump, Downgate, Nongpo, honored the remarkable achievements of the cyclists. Kevin Lingdo, who secured 2 silver medals in the youth category for XCO time trial and mass start, Aaron O'Neill Karpuri, who clinched a gold medal, while Titus C.H. Marak claimed a silver medal in the downhill elite category. Lambormi Power secured the 5th rank in the XCO junior men category, while Fabian Kilat is secured the 7th rank in the XCO youth category. And now for the weather report.